Hey everybody, I'll show you today a little change I made with my clutch cable. Common problem with the 400EX clutch cable, it's routed right between the head pipe, and from the factory it clears, but sometimes this bracket here will bend, or sometimes somehow it'll go missing from whatever reason, and the clutch cable will get close to the head pipe and it'll melt, and it'll damage it from the heat. What I did to mine, or my other one, is I got a 300EX clutch cable from any year. It's a lot longer, and I'm able to route it around everything instead of in between here. The only thing I had to do was move this bracket from these two bolts just to back here, so this would, so that would make still works perfectly fine. As you can see, the factory bracket bolts right here, so I just had to move it back to take up for the excess slack in the cable. But it still works fine. I never had any problems with it. I've had it like this for probably 4 or 5 years now, and it beats having it route through the head pipe, that's for sure. Especially with aftermarket head pipe, it's a lot more tight. You can put the heat, the heat tape around it, but still, it's very close, and most of the time touching. But yeah, there's another little secret, I guess.